In this video, I will be explaining how you can use fontawesome icons in your plain vanilla JavaScript projects. Before I tell you exact steps to include the icons from fontawesome, let me tell you what is this fontawesome. So fontawesome basically provides you the icons for your website. So as you can see on the screen, this is the user icon, and there are several other icons that you can choose from this website. So there is a house, check, download, image, music, and there are thousands of icons here. All you can do is just go here and then search. Okay, there are 19,287 icons, and some icons are paid while some icons are free. So if you want to find out if a certain icon is free for you, just click on that icon. For example, just go to user, and then over there you can see there are different styles. So classic style, and then in the classic style itself there are various options, right? Regular, solid, etc. So if I click here in the classic and then select one of these icons, you can see that here it is saying start using this icon. That means this is a free icon. But if I click here, it is saying start using this pro icon. So when it says pro icon, that means you will have to buy their plan, so you have to pay money and then you will be able to use this particular icon. But if you want to use the free icons, then select the free one. For example, this regular icon, user icon, is free to use, so you can use this icon. Now let me explain how you can add this into your site. So I'm talking about the vanilla JavaScript. I'm not talking about the project where you are using the node models. Okay, so in plain vanilla JavaScript, what you have to do is you have to go to this website cdn.js. So basically we are going to download one file from this website. Basically not the download, but get the link of the fontawesome. So you can see that this is the URL fontawesome, and over there you can get this CSS link basically. So just copy this one. After that you have to go to the file, HTML file, where you want to use these particular icons, and just paste it over here. So you can see that I have pasted it here, and this is a fontawesome.css file. Once that is done, next step is just two simple steps are there. First one is this, adding this link. Next one is whenever you want to show the icon, you have to use this code. So you can take this or copy this code from the website. So if you go here, so for example, you want to add this icon into your website, then what you have to do is that just select the icon that you want to add. Make sure that it is not a pro icon, and then over there you can see there is HTML React Who. So if you want to like work with the plain vanilla JavaScript projects, you can choose HTML and then just click here. So the source code is copied now, and now you can go to the HTML file and then paste that code over here. So you can see that I have pasted that user code here, and also there is another icon, I have pasted it here. That's it. Just save this file and then go to the HTML file and open it. So you can see that these icons, you can see here these icons are being shown here. Just to make things more clear, I'm gonna add another icon. So I'm just gonna go here and then let us try to add. So for example, I want to add this house. So just click on that, and then it is saying that this is a pro icon. So I'm just gonna select classic one, and now you can see it is saying that it is a normal free icon. So just go to the HTML. If you look at the React, you can see this is how the React code looks like. Or if you want to work with Who, this is how it is gonna look like in the Who. Let us go for the HTML. Just copy this and then go to the file where you want to display that, just paste it, save it, and then go back to the HTML file, open it in the browser, and then boom, you can see that this house icon is being displayed here. You can also alter the properties of these icons. So for example, if you want to change the size, you can use the font size property. Since this acts like a Unicode, you can use all the attributes or the CSS styles that you can apply for the text. Okay, you can change its color, and a lot of other things are possible. So let us just change a couple of properties here. I'm gonna change the color of this house to red. So you can see the color is changed. If you want to change the font size as well, that is also possible, say 20 pixel. Okay, or if you want to make it bigger, 90 pixel, that's it. So it's very easy to work with these icons basically, and it's very popular library on the internet out there. So definitely give it a try. If you have more questions, thanks for watching. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.